Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the diamond rod and how to basically get started with the quest, so you guys can go ahead and unlock that. And let's get straight into the video. So in order to unlock the diamond rod, what you will need to do is you will need to be in the spawn island, which is called Fisherman Island. Once you guys are at the spawn point, what you need to do is you need to look for these stairs that move or go over to the shopping area. But you're not going to go up the stairs, you're going to take a right and you're going to look for this diamond poster. And as you can see, this diamond poster is pointing towards the mutation cellar. And you need to basically go ahead and enter the mutation cellar. Now once you guys are inside the cellar, what you need to basically do is you need to look for an NPC called Larry, and he is the diamond researcher NPC. So you want to go ahead and talk to him, and you want to go ahead and just start the diamond researcher quest and just use, exhaust all of his dialogue. And you guys can go ahead and basically, once you complete that quest, I believe you will be able to unlock the diamond rod. So that should basically be it for the video. That is how to unlock the diamond rod in the new Fishit update. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.